Jobs. Jobs 1. Jobs. What is his job? He is a mechanic. A mechanic. A mechanic. What is her job? What is her job? She is a homemaker. A homemaker. A homemaker. A homemaker. What is his job? What is his job? He is a laundry worker. A laundry worker. A laundry worker. A laundry worker. What is their job? What is their job? They are construction workers. He is a construction worker. A construction worker. A construction worker. What is her job? What is her job? She is a child care worker. A child care worker. A child care worker. She works in a daycare. A child care worker. What is her job? She is a cook. A cook. A cook. What is his job? What is his job? A warehouse assistant. A warehouse assistant. A warehouse assistant. What is her job? What is her job? A housekeeper. A housekeeper. A housekeeper. What is her job? A delivery driver. A delivery driver. A delivery driver.